Hey y'all, I am getting ready to record Wednesday's show, but I want to try something new. And so I have a friend that told me that she shreds her chicken in her KitchenAid, in her mixer. And I'm going to be making Mima's chicken salad. So I'm going to give that a try. So let me put my chicken breast and in my KitchenAid and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I've got cut it up a little bit, but I'm going to put this chicken breast here, my KitchenAid, yeah, my KitchenAid. Okay, spread it, not put it all in one place. Here we go. All right. So let's give this a try and see how it works. All right, let's give this a try. I have to hold my bowl down here a little bit. It seems to be working pretty good. Let's see here. Yeah, all right. Oh, we gotta do this. Yeah, that looks pretty doggone good. All right, okay. Well, let's get making the rest of the salad here.